Spaghetti is one of our simplest go-to meals and probably something that we have in our house at least once a week. So today I'm going to be making some spaghetti for dinner. I hope you enjoy this video. First, I'm just going to cut up some onions and garlic. Here you can also cut up bell peppers, mushrooms, really any veggie or anything that you want to add into your spaghetti. I have 4 kids who have the tendency to eat their spaghetti pretty plain, and so do I. So I'm not adding all the extras. I'm adding some Genio ground turkey. Here, I'm just using some regular store-bought pasta sauce. Yes, I added water to get the residue out. Some regular old spaghetti noodles. I'm not sure what the actual rule of thumb is on how to cool your noodles off. I just add cold water. Sprinkled with Parmesan cheese or whatever you want to put on top. Add a salad, add some garlic bread. A super easy and simple 30-minute meal idea. I hope that you guys enjoyed this What's for Dinner, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.